बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम ग्रेड 5। Today is 16 June 2020 and the day is Tuesday. I am your computer teacher. Today we will start chapter number 2, data devices. It's on page number 13. Page number 13. Now open page number 13, chapter number 2, data devices. A computer performs various operations with the help of input memory and output devices. All of them deal with data in some way or the other. All these devices are together called computer peripherals. Let us understand more about them. As in grade 4, we have already learned about input and output devices. Input devices. The devices through which data and instructions are fed into a computer are called input devices. जिन devices के थ्रू हम डेटा कंप्यूटर में एंटर करते हैं इनपुट डिवाइसेस कहलाती हैं. An input device converts data and instructions into electrical signals that can be recognized by the computer. जो इन्फॉर्मेशन हम कंप्यूटर में फीड करते हैं वो इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल्स में चेंज होती है, तब कंप्यूटर उसको रिकग्नाइज करता है. Some input devices are used to enter data directly into the computer. For example, keyboard. Others called pointing devices are used to point and select options on the monitor screen. For example, computer mouse. Now page number 14. You have already learnt about the input devices: keyboard, mouse, trackball, joystick, light pen, scanner, web camera, digital camera and microphone in grade 4. Let us now learn about two more of these devices, the graphic tablet and the touch screen. Now what is graphic tablet? A graphic tablet is an input device that enables a user to draw images by hand, similar to the way a person draws images with a pencil or paper. It consists of a flat surface on which the user may write a word or draw an image using a special pen called a stylus. Look at this. This is stylus and this is special graphic tablet. At this you can use this stylus and you can draw anything, so it will be drawn here. The image generally doesn't appear on the tablet itself, but it displays on the computer monitor. Graphic tablets are commonly used by artists, illustrators and graphic designers. As you can see here, when you will draw with stylus, it will not shown at your screen. It will not shown apparently at your screen, but you will see it as image in graphic tablet. Now what is touch screen? A touch screen is a computer display screen that recognizes touch input. A user interacts with a computer by touching words or pictures on the screen. Touch screens are used in automated teller machines, ATMs, in tablets, PCs, in railway and airport terminals for arrival and departure inquiries. In hospitals, arrival mean और departures mean जब ट्रेन के जाने का वक्त होता है कि ट्रेन जाएगी कब. In hospitals for accessing patient records, etc. As you can see that nowadays every smartphone has touch screen and you use on daily basis. Output devices. The devices that are used to get the output from a computer are called output devices. You have learned about the following about output devices in class 4. Visual display units, VDUs, speakers, headphones, projectors and printers. Let us learn more about the VDU and the printer here. Visual display unit, VDU. A VDU is similar to a TV screen and can display both text and graphic images as shown in figure 2.3. The output shown on the VDU is called the soft copy. A VDU is also known as a monitor. The size of a monitor is measured by the diagonal length of the screen. For example, we have 11 inch, 14 inch, 15 inch, 17 inch, 19 inch, 21 inch, 22 inch and 24 inch monitors. Diagonal length. Diagonal length. Understand? The screen is measured in diagonal length. Thank you.